How to fix Instagram story highlights not showing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, launch your app. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to your profile page, at the top right, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Head towards the option of archive. Click on this drop down given at the top middle. Set it to Stories Archive. Now click on 3 dots given at the top right corner. Click on the option Settings. Now toggle on for the option of Save Story to Archive. Once you do that, hit back. Now click on this option of Your Story. Add anything to your story. After you upload any video or picture to your story, now open it. Now at the bottom right, you're gonna find different options. You will find the option of highlight. Click on it. Now you can give a title to your highlight and add this picture. So that's all for this video. This is how you can fix Instagram story highlight not showing. Now you can go to your profile and check. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.